I'm 16. Pumpkin Olympic speedrun. Oh, oh, bowling. Best speedrunner in the West. I hit every single one of them. Alright. Watch. Never miss. Hold on, don't need another one. I don't need another try. Totally. I'm just so good. And guys, this is even the thing of it. We have mini golf. Alright. I'm the best speedrunner in town. I said I'm the best speedrunner. Hell. I said I'm the best goddamn. Fuck. Bah. Swear to fucking God. I am the best speedrunner in town. The best speedrunner in town. I swear to fucking God. Oh my God! Oh my fucking God, I swear to God. I'm done, I quit. Okay, mac and cheese on pulled pork on a hot dog, and it's absolutely busting. I'm gonna puke, but we're gonna go down the slide. It's raining out currently. It's 2:20. Alright, we're at the top. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Go! My butt hurts. Sorry for no audio. I'm just editing this. My family is there, so I don't think you guys want to hear that. So yeah, so there's no sound for this portion, but there'll be sound soon. So yeah, this is the farm ride where there's things and the corn, and yeah, so just enjoy. Yep. Oh shit! Oh god, I'm going to the car. Oh no! That was great. That was great. That was great. That was great. Oh. Oh, epic off! Oh. Alright, I'm knock it in. Epic!
Oh, what's going on?
Oh. Oh. You gotta be fucking kidding me! You gotta be kidding me! You gotta be kidding me!
I'm gonna go put mine in the hole.
Got it.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I quit.